Kingdom activity book. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. This is Picnic Path. We have to help the cat reach the picnic and use the key to guide us. So each time we land on one of these pictures, we have to go the direction the arrow is going. See? We're going to the right. Now let's keep going. Down, left, down, right, right, right. We're going up and over, and we're just going to keep following these pictures as the arrow shows. Can you guys follow along as we continue through the maze? What kind of foods are we following? It looks like we have some cupcakes, watermelon, ice cream, donuts, and we're almost there. We made it! Great job following along. Now let's go on to our cute camp out. We're going to join the dots to finish the tent, and then we're going to color it in. Let's start connecting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Wow! And now let's get started with some coloring. And as always, if you guys see the color we're using, shout it out. Now that we've colored our moon and our cloud, let's color our tent. Have you guys ever slept in a tent before? Cool! If you haven't, that's okay. I've never slept in a tent either. Now let's color in all the spots that need yellow. We colored the bunny's tail, part of the fire, a marshmallow, and now the kitty. Now let's color in some purple. Oh my goodness, we're coloring in this bunny purple. Do you think there's any purple bunnies out there? I sure would like to see one. Now, can you tell me what color we're using? Pink, that's right, good job! Now, what animal are we coloring blue? A mouse, that's right, such a cute little mouse roasting some marshmallows. Have you ever been camping before? Or how about, have you ever roasted marshmallows before? I love roasting marshmallows. They get all ooey gooey and so yummy. Now let's color in our fire. Ooh, it's orange and red. Always make sure that you have a grown-up helping you if you're ever roasting marshmallows by a fire. Oops, we forgot part of our kitty. There we go. Our picture turned out so cute. Now let's go on to our next page. This is party animals. We have to circle 5 differences between the scenes. Then we're going to color in the boxes as we do. Let's find our first one. There it is. There's a strawberry hanging on this banner. That doesn't match. All right, so we found one. Let's look for another one. Do you see it? The monkey's hat. He's got a crown and a party hat. Now what's next? Do you see anything? Oh yeah, this animal's wearing a hat and the other one is not. I found it. One of the pandas is holding an ice cream and the other one's holding a donut. Do you see the last one? Oh my, that was kind of hard. One chick is facing one way, and the other is facing the other way. Good job on helping me find those. Now we're on to Magic Meadow. We have to find and circle 8 animals hiding in the flowers. Let's get started. Here's a tiger. And we found a snake. A bear. Is that a little piggy? Oink, oink. What's next? That looks like a koala. And I'm not sure what that animal is. But lastly, we found a bunny. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Great job. Now we get to move on to a jungle jigsaw puzzle. We're going to push out the pieces and then we're going to complete the jigsaw puzzle. Can you guys help me? Jigsaw puzzle sure is fun to be putting together. Can you guys shout out some of the things that you're seeing in the puzzle? So awesome! Wow, our puzzle is all done, and that's all the time we have today. I can't wait to hang out with you guys next time.